Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to show the number of unread messages on the Telegram application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Then click on the settings button down below on the right side corner of the screen and click on the notifications and sounds section. Here you should scroll down to the badge counter subcategory, and here you can find the count unread messages feature that you can enable by tapping on this button next to it, so that you will be able to see the number of unread messages instead of chats. But if you want to check out or see the number of unread chats, then disable this second feature. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.